Like all of you, I'm horrified by the news in the last couple of days that we've heard about the murder of the little boy, Arthur. And I just wanted to talk a bit about my experience as a teacher, having worked with children's services on a number of occasions, because I think people might not realise how dire the situation is in children's services. You probably think that if you report child abuse, that something will be done, and you would be shocked to realise how frequently they would tell you that what you're reporting doesn't meet the threshold. And that's not to say that social workers aren't going above and beyond, doing their best, passionately advocating for children, as are we, because I'm sure that there are very few social workers who are not passionate about protecting children. But it's due to the lack of funding. It's due to the fact that the government is not funding children's services. So that when you need a social worker to go and visit a child, to talk to a child, to go to the home, etc., there isn't a person who is able to go. And it is not good enough. And I know that there are so many teachers, social workers, other professionals like me who go to bed and lie awake at night, every night, with the fear, every day with the fear. What if one day, what if it's one of my kids? Whether it's a child that I'm working with now, whether it was in the past, whether it was years ago, we don't forget about our kids. We don't just go, sign them off to someone else, well. We have that fear every day because we know how broken the system is. I will never not have that fear. I will always have that fear. Did I do enough? Have I done everything that is humanly possible to help that child? I know that in the past, I've rang over and over again. I've written pages and pages of notes and I've sent it to them. I've checked in and checked in again. I've done everything I can do, but it's not enough. How can I ever feel like that's enough when I know how broken the system is? It cannot only be down to workers. It has to be down to the government to fund services.